Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to enable or disable Control Center access within apps. So if you don't know what it is, Control Center is when you scroll from the top right and you see this menu. You have your connectivity, what you're playing, some brightness controls, volume controls, torch controls, self timer, things like that. So let's go ahead and change. Let's put this a little brighter. Let's go ahead and change to not be able to access right now. If I'm in my library of my weather app, I can do that and I'm immediately there. But let's go ahead and change it so we don't have it there. We go to settings, we go to Control Center. And in Control Center, we have this first one, access within apps. If you have this disabled and I'm in an app, now when I do this, I get my notifications. I have to do it a second time to get my Control Center. I won't get it the first time, like you see. So there, it's not there. Now let's go ahead and toggle it back on, go back to the other app, and now it's there. It seems silly, but maybe you don't want to have it all the time accessible. You just want to read your notifications, which usually is the left scroll down. But in this case, if you disable it, it's always all of these left or right. It does that. I don't see the disadvantage to having it on, but if you don't want to have it there, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.